Gentlemen, let me ask you something very real. When was the last time you woke up feeling strong, confident, and ready to take on the world? For many men after 50 or 60, that natural strength seems to disappear. You wake up tired, you feel weaker, and yes, sometimes your body just doesn't respond the way it used to. Most men believe this is just aging, that nothing can be done. But here's the shocking truth. Erectile dysfunction is not about getting old. In most cases, it's about missing nutrients your body desperately needs. And today I'm going to show you the 9 essential vitamins that science has proven can restore blood flow, boost testosterone, and bring back your natural strength just in 1 week. But before we dive in, do me a quick favor, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on life-changing health tips like this. All right, let's get started. Why erectile dysfunction is not just aging. Here's the truth that no one tells you: erectile dysfunction is not simply a part of life. The real cause is often deficiencies. Think about it: when your body doesn't have the right vitamins, then blood vessels get weak and stiff, testosterone drops, energy and mood collapse. But when you replace what's missing, your body can literally rebuild itself. So let's go step by step through these 9 vitamins, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly what your body needs to reignite performance and confidence. Vitamin number 1, vitamin D. The testosterone charger. We start with vitamin D, also called the sunshine vitamin. For men, vitamin D is like fuel for testosterone. Without it, your hormone levels crash, blood vessels weaken, and nitric oxide, the chemical that triggers erection, stops working. I had a 62-year-old patient who swore his intimacy days were over. His problem was severely low vitamin D. After just a few months of restoring it, his energy came back, his mood lifted, and yes, natural morning erections returned. Never underestimate the power of sunlight or a simple supplement. Vitamin number 2, vitamin B3 niacin, the blood flow booster. Next up is vitamin B3, also called niacin. Erections are all about circulation, and B3 relaxes and opens up your blood vessels like nothing else. Men who take niacin often notice warmer hands and feet, more energy, and better blood flow where it matters most. In fact, some report improvements in just days. It's like unclogging the pipes. Suddenly, the flow is strong again. Vitamin number 3, vitamin B9, folate, the signal connector. Now let's talk about nerves and the brain. Folate connects the brain and the body so that signals reach the right place. Its deficiency causes signals to remain incomplete. A 70-year-old patient of mine said, "Doctor, the spark has gone out." His folate level was low. After a few weeks of supplements, he himself said, "It feels like the wires have been reconnected again." Vitamin number 4, vitamin B12, the oxygen carrier. B12 works with folate to enable the supply of oxygen. It creates red blood cells that carry oxygen to every part of your body, including the part you rely on. A 65-year-old patient constantly complained of fatigue. His B12 was almost zero. After treatment, not only did his energy return, but his performance also improved naturally. Vitamin number 5 and number 6, vitamin C and E. The repair team. Over time, tiny cracks develop in the pipelines, just like in a rusty pipe. This is where vitamin C and E work as the repair team. Vitamin C strengthens the pipelines again. Vitamin E protects against further damage. Together, they protect nitric oxide and maintain smooth flow. Vitamin number 7, vitamin K2, the artery guardian. There is another silent problem: calcium buildup. When calcium deposits harden in the pipelines, blood flow stops as if the pipe has been filled with cement. K2 directs calcium to the bones and keeps the pipelines clean. The result: unrestricted blood flow and a return of strength. Vitamin number 8, vitamin A, the hormone supporter. Many people think vitamin A is only for the eyes, but for men, it's the secret to hormones. Its deficiency leads to low libido, weak sperm, and hormonal imbalances. When it is restored, male energy reawakens. Vitamin number 9, vitamin B6, the mood balancer. Finally, let's talk about the brain. Mental pressure and stress are often the biggest enemies of intimacy. B6 balances the brain's feel-good chemicals, serotonin and dopamine. The result: less stress, more desire, and better focus. So gentlemen, these are the 9 vitamins D, B3, B9, B12, C, E, K2, A, and B6. Together, they restore blood flow, boost testosterone, protect your pipelines, and maintain mental balance. ED is not the end of your story. With the right nutrients, your body still has the capacity to do everything no matter your age. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and share it with a friend who needs this hope. And tell me in the comments, which of these vitamins are you already taking? Thanks for watching.